3-minute lesson or stay. Forever poor. Why we build assets. You know, most people spend their entire lives working for money. The wealthy don't think that way. They build assets. What's an asset? An asset is something that keeps working long after.
Wham, boom, bam.
Finish the work. A YouTube video is an asset. A book is an asset. A song is an asset. A website is an asset. A business is an asset. Deep. Every asset is like hiring another employee that never sleeps, never calls in sick, and never asks for a raise.
Bam.
That's why I don't chase quick money. I chase ownership. Imagine planting one apple tree. You don't expect apples. Tomorrow, you water it, you protect it, you give it time. Then one day, it begins producing fruit. Season after season, year after year. Evergreen YouTube videos work the exact same way. Every great video becomes another tree in your orchard. Deep breath. Doesn't change your life. 10 trees start feeding a family. 100 trees become an orchard. Paul. 100 evergreen videos can become a business. So don't ask yourself, how can I make money today? Ask yourself, what asset can I build today that'll still be working for me 5 years from now? Pause. That's how wealth is built, one asset at a time. And this is why I'm the Evergreen King. You didn't know.
Wham, boom, bam.
Ding. Friendly smile. Before you leave, take a look at what Chichi is wearing. Every outfit that you see is designed right here for the Grandma Gang collection. They're exclusive, limited edition. Only 50 of each design that will ever be made. That means once they're gone, they're gone. Visit mrapip.com. That's mrapip.com. Pick up your favorite design before someone else does. Then come back for another 3-minute lesson. I'll see you next class.
Welcome to the World Cup Fix. This is our celebrity edition, limited to just 50. Chichi is modeling the Argentina-inspired fit. It's stretchy, premium, and gone when it's gone. Only 50 will ever exist. Shop now at mrpipe.com.
This premium.
No, this is Chichi Cha-Cha, Daddy.
Welcome to the World Cup Fix. This is our celebrity edition, limited to just 50. Chichi is modeling the Argentina-inspired fit. It's stretchy, premium, and gone when it's gone. Only 50 will ever exist. Shop now at mrpipe.com. Welcome to the kingdom.
Get your custom caps here. Original art and style. Show off your pride.
Join the Evergreen movement.
We got one-of-a-kind current, tailored just for you.